Lately I've been doing some thinking. Think I got this whole thing wrong. Feel as if my ship is sinking. Finding it way too hard to stay afloat. I always used to sail with caution. Now I'm way too deep for that. Since I met you, there ain't no option.
Bromo keren.
I've been overboard, ain't holding back. I'm sending out an SOS, SOS. I feel love and now I realize I'm sending out an SOS, an SOS. And I hope that you hear me.
Romantis ah.
Sending out an SOS for you. Got me sending out an SOS, SOS, so got me sending out an SOS for you. Won't you save me? I know you'll hold me when I'm falling, and I admit I'm falling fast. In your
Kami dari SMA 31 Kabupaten Tangerang lagi ada di Bromo. Seru banget loh. Jangan lupa ke Bromo ya.
SOS, SOS. I feel love and now I realize